Hello, it's Phil from LevelUp German, and I'm very happy to welcome you to this channel where you can see a lot of stuff we are producing in the moment. And I'm very happy to show you something new I'm producing for you as a German learner. I am working on a very beginner's course, an interactive video course where you can learn to say your first German sentences, to talk about yourself, your family, your work, and you can start to understand the other and interact with them more and more in this course. It's an interactive course with a lot of exercises and with a lot of videos, and I am very happy to show you the very first lecture of it. In this lecture you can learn how to say hello and to say your name and to ask another person for the name too. I think this is enough introduction for now, and we shall start immediately with this first lecture. I hope you like it. Hallo, ich bin Phil. Und wer bist du? Ich bin Phil. Das ist mein Name. Und wer bist du? Wir wollen also deinen Namen wissen. Wenn ich frage, hallo, ich bin Phil, und wer bist du? Dann antwortest du, ich bin mit deinem Namen. Ich bin Alex. Ich bin Natascha. Ich bin Lisa. Ich bin Udo. Diesen Satz können wir auch anders sagen. Zum Beispiel, hallo, ich heiße Phil. Hallo, ich heiße Phil. Wie heißt du? Wie heißt du? Ich heiße Alex, Natascha, Udo, Lisa und so weiter. Wir können auch sagen, mein Name ist Phil. Mein Name ist Phil. Und wie ist dein Name? Lass uns das nochmal wiederholen. Sprich mir nach. Hallo. Ich bin. Und wer bist du? Sehr gut. Wiederholen wir das zweite Beispiel. Hallo, ich heiße. Und wie heißt du? Wunderbar. Nummer 3. Hallo, mein Name ist. Und wie ist dein Name? Sehr gut. Wir machen weiter mit einer Übung. And did you like it? It's the first lecture of a whole interactive video course on LevelUp German. And I would be happy if you like to try out this first chapter with another 9 lectures full of vocabulary exercises, interactive exercises about the grammar and the vocabulary, to put them all together and to work with them from the first minute on, to have an effect on your learning from the first minute. And it's all gamification included, so you can really level up your German skills and have, I think, a lot of fun there. There is a whole community starting with this course, and if you have any questions, of course, you can ask here in the comments under this video, but you can also, and I would love to introduce you to the others on LevelUp, so come by and you can have a free account and just say hello to the others, ask your questions, and maybe find some learning partners, because it's easier to level up when you're in a team. So, see you there, and I'm happy to have you on board.